Hey everyone, this is Mr. D at ATMS, and I am here to give you a brief introduction to our new program called ClassLink. And ClassLink is a very simple way to access all of the many programs that we use here on campus. So to do this, you'll have to first visit our homepage, which is shown right here in case you forget, atms.randolph.k12.nc.us. And once you're here, simply scroll down the page and you'll notice that we've provided you with a quick link to ClassLink. So all that you need to do is select this button and you'll be taken to a login page for ClassLink. All that you have to do is use your Google information to enter into ClassLink. So I'm going to go do that right now. And once that's in, you will be taken to a page that has all of the apps that we will be using through the duration of this school year. So you'll see that we have Canvas here, we've got Gmail, your Google apps, so on and so forth. So this is going to be the means in which we access these important accounts through the course of the year. Now, one tidbit of information. Once you're in the first time, these programs will ask for your previous password. So for example, when you're accessing Canvas, you are going to have to type in your Canvas user ID and password one time. And once that's in, ClassLink will save that information forever. So next time that you're into the program, all that you have to do is select the Canvas icon and then Canvas will open for you. So again, this is our ClassLink feature. We really feel like it's going to make logging in as easy as possible. And should you have any questions about this process, please find myself, Mr. Doherty, or Mr. D, Mr. Bentley, or Mrs. Moser on campus. We will be here to help you with any kinds of questions that you have about ClassLink. Thank you.